Do you feel nervous making mistakes when speaking English? Yeah, you're not alone. And today, I'm sharing the secret to overcoming that fear. Plus, you'll learn 3 powerful expressions native speakers use daily. Let's transform your English confidence right now. Part 1, Motivation and Learning Tips. Listen to this encouraging conversation. Hello, Miss Rachel. I get really anxious whenever I speak English. I keep making errors. David, making mistakes is completely natural. They're actually proof you're learning. Do you remember learning to ride a bicycle? Yes, I fell down constantly. But you didn't quit, did you? No, I kept practicing until I got it. English is exactly the same. Every mistake means you're progressing. But sometimes others laugh when I mess up. I understand that hurts, but don't let it discourage you. Even native speakers make errors constantly. What matters most is persistence. That's reassuring. How can I build more confidence, though? Practice daily. Talk out loud even when alone. Repeat phrases from English content you enjoy. That seems manageable. Also, establish tiny, achievable goals. Maybe learn 3 new words daily, or speak English for 10 minutes each day. Small, consistent actions create massive results. I really like that approach. And definitely read everything aloud. When reading books or articles, vocalize every word. This strengthens pronunciation and fluency simultaneously. Interesting. I always read silently. Try speaking it. Your speaking skills will improve dramatically. For listening practice, replay the same audio multiple times. Repeated exposure helps comprehension significantly. So I should listen repeatedly to the same material? Absolutely. First, listen for overall meaning. Second time, identify new vocabulary. Third time, practice repeating what you hear. That makes perfect sense. Most importantly, trust yourself. You're capable of this. Thank you, Miss Rachel. I'll keep pushing forward. That's exactly the right attitude, David. Keep learning fearlessly. Part 2, Vocabulary and Expressions. Now let's explore 3 useful phrases. First, in a way, this shows something is partially true. Example, the test was difficult in a way, but I was well prepared. Next, it turns out. This indicates unexpected discovery. Like, it turns out, learning English is more fun than I expected. Finally, can't make head or tail of something. This means unable to understand something confusing. For instance, I can't make head or tail of these complicated instructions. Oh, and repetition is everything. Watch this multiple times and practice aloud. Part 3, Quick Conversation Practice. Listen to these mini dialogues using today's expressions. Hey Tom, how was your trip? Good in a way. Beautiful scenery, but terrible weather. I tried baking yesterday. It turns out homemade bread is surprisingly easy. Really? I should try that. Can you help with this assignment? I can't make head or tail of question 5. Sure, let me look at it. Part 4, Shadowing Practice. Repeat these sentences with confidence. Mistakes are normal. They help you learn. Practice every day. Speak out loud even when alone. Set small goals. Small steps lead to big success. Read aloud. This helps pronunciation and fluency. Believe in yourself. You can do this. The movie was scary in a way, but also exciting. It turns out making pizza was easier than I thought. I can't make head or tail of this math problem. Excellent work today. Remember, confidence comes from consistent practice, not perfection. Every time you speak, you improve. Don't fear mistakes. Embrace them as learning opportunities. Use these 3 expressions in real conversations. Watch this video daily, and most importantly, believe in your ability to master English. I'm Vey from English Mastery Podcast. Keep practicing fearlessly, stay consistent, and watch your confidence soar. See you next time. Keep growing.